What's up everybody, Nick here with Tackform. Here's 3 reasons you might want to consider a vent mount over a dashboard bracket for your Tacoma. Number 1, some people just don't want to drill into their dash, so a vent mount is an awesome alternative. And the beauty of it on the Tacoma is the vents are incredibly rigid, so our mount interfaces with the vent trim, not the blades themselves. So you still get about 80% of articulation in your vent and a rock solid hold. So the custom fit is awesome. Number 2, adjustability. Our ball and socket design allows for different length arms. So we have a short reach option, a 2-inch option, as you can see here, and then a 3.5-inch long arm with dual independently articulating ball and socket joints. The most popular seller is definitely the 2-inch, and all of our arms come with interchangeable knobs. So if you want to get a red billet accent kit or a blue accent kit to match your interior, you can do that. Number 3, we have awesome holder options. So our phone holder, like most of our other parts, all billet aluminum, lifetime warranty, and it has the perfect spring load for easy single-handed insertion and removal. The grips have cutouts for your buttons so it doesn't depress the buttons. So if you want to mount the phone high, you can. If you want to mount the phone low, you can, and you don't have to worry about it depressing any buttons. Second, we have magnetic CB radio holders for Midland. This thing is rock solid. And then we also have holders for Baofeng as well as regular CB microphones. So this pretty much covers everything. Last but not least, we have a bunch of other holder options like dual T, 4T, aux beam. So if you're mounting a switch panel, we can hook a switch panel up to it. You can hook a tire pressure monitor sensor up to it. Man, tuners, all types of stuff. Those setups you'll have to go through our builder though. So our pre-kitted setups are typically phone, CB radio, the common stuff. The tuners and other kind of mounts, you would go build your own. You simply select the vent mount by itself, scroll down on the page, and you can add whatever arm and holder you like to build a custom setup for you.